Welcome everyone, I hope you're doing fantastic out there today. In this video, I want to show you how I combine the Bollinger Bands with lower and higher time frames in combination to formulate these great trade entries. So here on the 1 minute time frame, you can see that center Bollinger Band makes for a fantastic area of resistance in the short term on this already downward sloping downward trend. We had a well-established in-the-money opportunity here with just under a $150 potential profit, with just over 2 minutes left until expiration here for this position. An important thing to note here is not only choosing the right indicators, but choosing the right time to combine them together, and most importantly, allowing the markets to create these opportunities for you, not to manufacture them yourself or force any trades. You always want to hyper focus on quality over quantity. And as you can see here, our areas of price action are clearly defined here by the Bollinger Bands, the outer limit, the center Bollinger Band, and the upper Bollinger Band. In this scenario, we already have a downward sloping trend. We have already identified, using the Bollinger Bands, our point of resistance. Also on the higher time frames and the lower time frames are in correlation together to demonstrate a good potential entry here for a sell position. So with that being said, I will go ahead and bring you guys back when we are rolling into expiration for this trade here. And there it is. Excellent. A fantastic full profit into expiration for this 5-minute binary options trade here. An important thing to note is, as stated, this was a downward trend with a well-established in-the-money strike for a sell position. In a scenario like this, if you face adversity in the way of getting a test at that center Bollinger Band on a potential pullback to the upside, then what you would do there is look at confirmation for a bullish engulfing candle in that zone, and that is where I would tend to cut profits on the position. Otherwise, I typically will hold a position just like this into expiration, because in my experience, when you have a well-established in-the-money contract position like this, and you have the risk-defined areas using the Bollinger Bands, combined with the higher and lower time frames, make it easier to identify where to take profits or cut losses when necessary. If you want to see a more detailed but still simple and straightforward breakdown of how I find these perfect storm trading entries for more consistent long-term trading results, then be sure to check out my Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly which indicators I like to use and how I combine them together to find entries just like what you see here in this video. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program, where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting to you, those resources are down in the description and the comments below. Otherwise, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll be sure to incorporate more trade breakdowns in the future as well. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day out there today. Catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start taking these trades together.